Now, one of the traditional problems in ice cream manufacturing is that, let's say 10-15 years ago, when they mounted the majority of these installations by Hoyer and the well-known engineering companies, that at that time all the ice cream mixes used to be fairly low viscous. And over years, what we notice now is that these ice mixes tend to get more viscous because of market demands. There are more variants, they are more viscous because they had to add products in there, like taste and whatever it is, that render it more viscous. And they notice now that the centrifugal pumps underneath these tanks, they can't cope with the increased viscosity that they have, So the ice cream generator is something very sensitive in ice cream production. It has to be fed with a continuous pressure. And this pressure has to be maintained in a very narrow range. And it has to be regulated in a very linear way because of ease of regulation. So if you look to that, you're talking about a pump with a closed line, and you're talking about a pump with an equal flow and a 1-to-1 ratio flow to speed. And if you look into the available applications, there are not much pumps who can do that. So that's where the MOVEC comes in play. And we've proven the fact in a few factories now that this is a good choice for them. Now the factory we're going to visit now, this distance is about 220 meters. And that of course is another argument that is in favor of the MOVEC pumps, because if you're pumping ice cream over 220 meters, of course you don't want pulsations. The thing is that pulsation will cause pressure peaks, and that is something that's very unbeneficial for the generation of ice cream. And again, that's the third argument in favor of a MOVEC pump. And that's how we got the pump in there, and by now it has proven a success. It has gone even so far that a second company in Belgium who has the same problem, but then they have about 70 meters to cover, was invited to that company to see it work, to show them that that is a solution. And now we are busy talking to that company to replace 5 of their centrifugal pumps with MOVEC pumps to do the same thing. So we try to copy paste this success scenario in Belgium and hopefully abroad.
We are using it because we have a company in France also, so they are using this type of pump already 10-20 years, and we get the advice from the colleagues and parents to test a pump like this. So we didn't test it, we buy straight away a pump and then we test it. The pump has to be idiot proof, it's most important, because we are running 24 hours on 24, so everyone has to handle it. If it's too difficult for handling, cleaning, also maintenance, then it's a problem. It makes life easier with a pump like this, that's correct, yeah. No stress.
PSG, where innovation flows.